Hi guys, it's Khushi and in today's video I'm going to try out the Camel's Fluid Art Kit Monochrome series. So I have done a similar video in the past which crossed over 8,000 views. It was on the Fluid Art Kit Aqua series. If you want to watch that video, the link is given in the description and also in the I button. So this is the monochrome fluid art kit from Camel. If you want to buy this, I have given a link in the description. Do check that out. This is how the front cover looks like. It is very beautiful. So when you'll flip this package, you will get to see some instructions written on the back. So these are basically some techniques that you can follow to create the fluid artwork. So in this package, you will get one canvas board which is of 20 cm by 20 cm. 4 assorted shades of acrylic colors, and this also contains one apron. The MRP price of this kit is 249 rupees, which is a great deal, and this is not a sponsored video. This fluid art kit is also available in Aqua series and Sunset series, so the link of both the series are in the description. So on the top side of the package, you'll get to see this cut along dotted line, which you need to follow as this package is a Ziploc one. So after opening the package, the first thing that I got in my hand was the canvas board, obviously, because this is a huge canvas board. And we also have the apron. So this apron is given in the kit in order to prevent your clothes from getting messy, but I'm not going to wear it. I'm going to use this to protect the surface from getting messy. The canvas board given in this package is huge. This canvas board is a square one, and the size of this canvas board is 8 inch by 8 inch, which is a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So here I tried creating a little ASMR. I hope you guys like it. Now let's keep the canvas aside and see what else we have in the package. So these are the 4 assorted shades of acrylic colors. The best thing about this fluid acrylic color is that it does not require any pouring medium. They are already at a consistency which are easy and ready to pour. In this package we get 4 colors which are 25 ml each. So the first color that we have is the metallic gold. Second, we have metallic silver. The third one that we have is the black. And lastly, we have the white one. So the very important thing that we need to do while doing any fluid artwork is to elevate the surface. This is something that I had at my house, and I am going to use this in order to elevate the surface. Instead of which, you can also keep a paper cup upside down. Then after that, this apron which was given in the kit, I am basically going to use this to cover the surface. So as you can see, the thing which I used to elevate the surface is below the apron so that it does not get any paint over it. So onto that I am going to place my canvas board. So while doing this fluid artwork, I am going to use the pouring technique. So here I have a paper cup which is about a normal size paper cup. So I am basically going to pour all the colors in the paper cup in a specific manner. So firstly I am pouring in the white. Then after that I am pouring in the black. So after pouring the black, what I did is I held the cup in a vertical position so that the color flows down. So after the black, I am pouring in the metallic gold. And lastly, I am pouring in the metallic silver. So I felt that the metallic silver is thicker in consistency than other ones. So after the metallic silver, I am going to add the white. So you basically have to follow one particular color scheme. So the color scheme that I followed is mentioned on the screen. So basically when you are done with the metallic silver, you have to start again with the white, and that is how you follow the color scheme. When my half cup was filled with the layers, I created like a mouth to the cup, which will make it easier to pour it on the canvas board. So while pouring the colors on the canvas board, you basically just have to move your hand in a circular motion. So at this point I felt like there is too much of black. So what I did is I poured more of metallic gold in the cup, which was followed by white, and after the white I poured in the metallic silver, then again the gold, and after that I started pouring it on the top. And after pouring all the colors, you basically have to move the canvas board in a circular motion. So at this point I started pouring the black color on the sides of the canvas. So now I am going to use my fingers to apply the colors on the sides of the canvas board and also try to create like a pattern. So as I was trying to flow the colors, there was no motion, so I tried using my fingers to give it like a flow. And after doing that, you can see the colors started moving. So moving on to the second corner of the canvas board, I use the same technique to give the colors the flow. So when I started tapping the canvas board, the colors started to move and the areas were filled. And if you face this difficulty when your colors are not moving, you can simply use this technique which I am showing in this video. So while doing the fourth corner, I felt the need of adding more colors. So I added the metallic gold. And after that I added a little bit of metallic silver. I was very impressed with the outcome. The last and the most important part is to cover the edges with the paint. So you have to keep this to dry for a day or two. Do not keep this under direct air or AC. I will suggest you guys to keep this under a table so it is not directly under the fan. This is what the outcome looks like. Also comment down below what you think about this fluid artwork, and also if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And if you have any queries or doubts then comment down below. I will surely answer them in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, the link is in the description and also the ID is mentioned on the screen. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.